This is gonna blow your mind. Am I the only one that didn't know the challenges tugboat crews face in maintaining their vessels 24/7? You need to hear this if you're a maritime enthusiast or work in the shipping industry. Today, we're going behind the scenes to show you exactly how tugboat crews perform crucial maintenance. These vessels operate under intense conditions, so the crew needs to be on top of every detail, from engines to electrical systems and everything in between. When you're out at sea, the reliability of your vessel is paramount. Tugboats, known for their strength and versatility, are no exception. These powerful machines are the unsung heroes of the maritime world, assisting larger ships, towing barges, and performing rescue operations. To keep them running smoothly, every part of a tugboat needs to be in top shape. The intricate network of parts and systems on a tugboat requires meticulous attention. From the smallest bolt to the largest engine component, everything must be maintained to the highest standards. This ensures that the tugboat can perform its duties without any hitches, regardless of the conditions at sea. Maintenance is key to keeping these powerful machines running smoothly 24/7. The crew's dedication to regular upkeep is what makes this possible. They follow a strict maintenance schedule, addressing both routine checks and unexpected repairs with equal diligence. Let's start with the heart of the tugboat, the engine. This powerhouse is what drives the vessel, providing the necessary thrusts to maneuver through challenging waters. The engine room is a hive of activities, with crews members constantly monitoring and maintaining the machinery. Routine checks here are absolutely critical. The crew inspects every component, from the pistons to the fuel injectors, ensuring that everything is in perfect working order. Any sign of wear and tear is addressed immediately to prevent potential breakdowns. The crew inspects oil levels, cleans fuel filters, and tightens bolts to ensure nothing slips or breaks during operations. These tasks might seem mundane, but they are vital for the engine's longevity and performance. Tightening bolts and checking for leaks are part of the daily routine. The crew knows that even a small oversight can lead to significant problems, so they leave no stone unturned in their inspections. Oil changes and filter replacements happen on a regular schedule to keep the engines running efficiently. Fresh oil ensures that the engine parts are well lubricated, reducing friction and preventing overheating. With constant exposure to salt water, tugboat crews need to inspect the propellers and rudders for damage or debris regularly. Salt water can be corrosive, and debris can cause significant damage if not promptly removed. The electrical systems on board are the nerve center of the tugboat. These systems control everything from navigation to communication, making them essential for the vessel's operation. Crews conduct regular checks to ensure the power supply, navigation systems, and communication radios are all functioning perfectly. Any malfunction in these systems can compromise the safety and efficiency of the tugboat. Communication is crucial at sea. The crew tests the radios frequently to ensure they can stay in contact with other vessels and shore stations. This is especially important during rescue operations or when navigating through busy shipping lanes. Safety drills and checks happen regularly. The crew practices various emergency scenarios to ensure they are prepared for any situation. These drills include fire drills, man overboard drills, and abandon ship drills, crews inspect every piece of safety gear to make sure it's ready in case of an emergency. Life jackets, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits are all checked and maintained regularly. From engine checks to safety drills, tugboat maintenance is a continuous process that ensures these vessels can operate efficiently and safely at sea. The crew's dedication to their work is what keeps these vital machines running, allowing them to perform their essential roles in the maritime industry. Whether it's towing a massive container ship or responding to a distress call, a well-maintained tugboat is always ready for action. So next time you see a tugboat in action, remember, behind every smooth operation is a crew working tirelessly to maintain the ship. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. See you next time.